How to add payment methods in WordPress. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to add payment methods in WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugin section of your WordPress dashboard and click the Add New button. Search for the WooCommerce PayPal payment plugin and click the Install Now button. Once the plugin is installed, click the Activate button. On the left-hand sidebar, click on WooCommerce, then click on Setting, then click on Payment Options. Here you will find all the payment methods. Next to PayPal, click on Finish Setup button. Click on Activate PayPal and finally enter your PayPal account credentials. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.